If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Kia Sportage LX in burnished copper. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 39,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, drive modes, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MARINOSCJD.com, stock number 90438.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.